Hello everyone, my name is Akanimo Udofa. I'm a computer science student, ABU Zaria. I'm here to make a presentation on web development titled Newsbox. So here with me is a front-end presentation of the work done so far. On my screen, you can see 4 boxes. Each of the boxes has name on it: all news, politics, sports, technology, ad news. So each of these boxes has information that has been populated into it. And for the all news, this all news carries the all news that we have inside politics, sport, technology, which if I click on it now, you can see the details there. We have for technology, we have for sports, politics, and so on, down, and so forth. So if I want to add more information, I'll click on add news. It will take me to another interface where I have my title link, summary, category submitter. So under my title, and this is my local host where my database has been stored into, which is PHP my admin. And then here are some information which have been installed so far. Okay, let's try using one of the information. I can click on this, my database. I'll pick on the title, copy. I'll take it to my title here. I'll paste, go back to my local host, pick on the link, do the same thing. Then I'll paste as well. I'll go to back to my local host. I'll pick on the summary. Same thing. And then I decide to take my category to be under sports. I'll go back to my local host. And then the submitter here name is Andy Hunter, which I copy and paste under my submitter. To ensure that this code runs, this page will take me to another interface, which I'm going to give a try now. And then I'll click on submit. That means it has successfully been added. For it to take me to this page, it has successfully been added. So for me to be sure that it's been added, I'll click on my spot where I actually added the news to, and then scroll down. It's going to be the last item added on my list. As you can see, this is the last item I just added on it, meaning it's added successfully. So I can go back to the interface again. I can pick on something different now. I will say add news again. I might decide not to use what's on my database. I would like to populate it a different information and see if it will run. So this time around, I'm going to say digital marketing. And then I'll call my link www.digital marketing. And then on my summary, I can start to say to promote products and services. And under my category, we have a drop-down menu, politics, sport, technology. So I can decide to put them under technology, and then I'll call the submitter. I love to use my name, Akanimo. And then I'll click on it, meaning information has been added successfully to technology box. So I'll go over to be sure that it was added successfully. I'll go and check on the last item added on my list. As you can see on my last item, it's been added successfully to promote products and services. This is the title, technology, and all that. So I'll go back. I'll try a different name as well. I'll click on my add news this time around. And this time around, I want to try something different. Like I'm going to skip my title and then just decide to use http// colon, maybe, let me go vigilant, .abu. Then I'll go to my summary. Let me just call it front end task. I'm going to put it under politics. Let me skip the submit or not. I feel maybe it's not necessary. Let me see if it will work. And here I have my local host informed me that all fields are required, meaning that I have skipped some items. And because of this, it's not going to run. So that means all fields must be filled completely. I have to go back and then fill the title now. Let me call it education. And cap lock, you can decide to use cap locks on it and it still work perfectly. Call education front-end tax. It's still, I want to drop it under politics this time around, and then I'll call it submittal ministry. I say Ministry of Education. To see if it works, I'll click on submit. Yes, added successfully, meaning it actually worked. That's every information is actually required for it to work. So I'll go under my politics to see information was successfully added. I'll go to the last message on it and check, and then this is what I have the education there, everything, Ministry of Education, meaning it was added successfully. So to this, I'd like to bring an end to it. I'll say thank you very much and do have a wonderful day. Bye.